preview of what it is, and let's get her reaction. 1, 2, 3. So, put your stuff on, because I'm about to vlog you opening your gift. So, for you. Oh. So, guys, I have a gift from my mom. You know, she's so special to me. She does so much for me. And I got her gift. And I told my brothers, do not let her open it, because she be opening my packages. Comment below if your mama open your packages. So she likes to open my packages. Let me see, where can I sit this? I'm gonna get this nice chicken box. And I'm gonna sit the camera on top of the chicken box because I don't have my tripod. So
am I okay like this?
Yeah, you're fine, just
You're
like
just gonna see the top, right?
Yeah. So I'm unboxing this nice item. My address, my old address is on the back of the other side. So okay. Are you ready for this? Y'all, she don't even know. She does not know. Let me show y'all. Let me give y'all. Oh no, she gonna be able to see. So, yeah. Okay, yeah, you need to put some more on. Yeah. So, well, I guess you could come over this way.
I'm ready to come out these clothes.
You ain't gonna be ready to come out of these clothes when you see your surprise, girl. So what do you think it is? What do you think it is?
I think it's $1 million shot.
$1 million. Okay, but no, seriously, what you think it is?
$1 million, baby.
Okay, it's not $1 million, so what do you think it is?
I don't know, child. Probably a little Bible.
Okay, so she thinks that it's a Bible. So I'm just gonna show her like a preview of what it is, and let's get her reaction. 1, 2, 3. And I say yes.
Let me see.
Yes. No fugazi. Period. Look, get the details. Get the details. Y'all see the details.
Oh.
Y'all see the details.
Oh, this is so cute. Let me open this right.
Yes, open it slow, but don't mess it up.
Ah, OMG.
It's just so much
Girl, don't make me cry right now.
Little pieces.
Oh.
What is that in there?
Some perfume.
So a little perfume, little razzle dazzle, little extra, little gifts they sent with the package.
Yes.
So this is some Chanel Cocoa that she can take. See, you can have this in your purse. Little travel, you see?
Yeah.
And then this is some little mascara because I know she likes to do her makeup. So she got her
my daughter better than yours.
Yes. So.
Let me see. Let me put it back up.
Yes, honey.
OMG, this is beautiful.
And then there's a knife right here behind you.
Oh my God. Somebody loves you, baby. Oh.
Yeah, she is singing. She's excited about her gift.
Oh, this is so cute. Let me see.
Little razzle dazzle.
All right now. Well, I see she's surprising me. I have a little surprise for you too, but it's upstairs. May not be no Chanel, but it's a surprise.
Push it out the side.
Extra soft. Let me see it.
I cannot look.
Already Chanel. Extra soft, honey.
You gotta get the knife again. Chanel is packaged up, honey. Yes.
All right, there we go. No, sis, I won't do it. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Ta-da!
Oh, this is so cute. So I can. Oh, you know she fancy. She's fancy a lot.
It was just a slight surprise for her, but I knew she was gonna like the pack. She's an aesthetic type of person, but yeah, I just wanted to tickle her feathers a little bit.
So when I take off my makeup, oh, this is so cute. But the details
it's so cute.
Oh
I knew she would love it.
It has a little Chanel engraved in it. So
yeah,
cute.
Nice little gift. Just because it was low key like a prank. Because I know she probably when she seen that box, what you thought it was? You thought it was a bag on wallet? The bag and the wallet is coming soon. But this is just super cute. And I know my mom, she likes like little cute aesthetic-y stuff like that.
Thank
so,
you.
Yes, you're welcome. And you see you keep your Chanel box. And so you have this up in your closet. You see this a real Chanel box, like my Chanel shoes. You see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't break the box. So, stop. Wait, we gotta get you a thumbnail. Okay, so y'all, thumbs up this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Y'all run these subscribers up so I can buy her a real Chanel. Y'all see her after she was. She about to get on Facebook and tell Facebook about her stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. If y'all want more videos like this, I think I'm gonna do my brothers next. I'm gonna do my brothers, I'm gonna do my auntie. And I already told my boyfriend about this, so he already know I can't get him with this. But yeah, I'm gonna get my auntie next. She's next on my target list. So yeah, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Say bye, Styles.
Bye.
She like a Chanel tissue, fancy. Oh yeah. And this is also like, y'all, it don't take a lot to make somebody smile. Y'all see how my mom was happy. I just came off a 13-hour flight. And, I was like, let me surprise her, And look. So, y'all, see you guys later.